Everyone is going crazy about this viral nose clip that helps you get rid of snoring and nasal congestion. But a lot of people are confused because this does look like a septum piercing. Just to make things clear, this is very different than a septum piercing. Unlike your septum piercing, this clip has tiny magnets designed to apply a gentle pressure to your nose. Because of this, your nasal passage starts to open up and oxygen is able to flow at much higher rate. Therefore, people who are extremely congested, mouth breathe, or snore will see major result while using this